Hey guys, it's Jules, and in today's video I'm showing you guys how to make chocolate covered strawberries, and I'm also going to show you guys what I do to make like a cute little festive chocolate covered strawberries bouquet for your special someone. So if you want to see how I did it, go ahead and keep on watching. So besides your strawberries, of course, you're going to need some chocolate. I personally like using the Ghirardelli premium baking chips. You can use the milk chocolate. I prefer the classic white chocolate. I just feel like it tastes better to me. And you're also going to need stuff to decorate. So I went to the 99-cent store and found these mason jars, which are super festive and cute. I also have some red straws with hearts on it that I got from Target. And I got some shredded paper to just stuff the little cups in for the bouquet. And you're going to need stuff to decorate the strawberries. So I have some XO candies. I got this from Ralph's. And then all the toppings. So you have red, pink. Also have another pink. And then I also found really cute white pearls that I'm going to put. And then red and white. So feel free to just use whatever decorations you want. I also forgot to mention or show it in the video, but you're gonna need some vegetable oil as well. Alright, so first things first, you're gonna want to clean the strawberries. So here I'm just rinsing them with water and putting them in this strainer. Once I'm done rinsing all of them, what I like to do is I place some paper towels on the counter, and if I have time, I'll just lay them out and let them air dry. But in this case, I am hand drying them, that way I can get started as soon as possible. I'm drying them as much as I possibly can without puncturing them, and then I'm just gonna lay them out. Can we just take a moment and look at this freaking beautiful strawberry? I'm like, oh my god, look how juicy that is. And they were sweet, juicy, almost as big as my hand. It's freaking crazy. I got these strawberries from Ralph's, if you're wondering. But let's continue. I'm gonna pour in my chips first. So this is about 11 ounces. So I'm gonna put all of it in there. And I'm gonna pour in about 2 tablespoons of either vegetable oil. This is canola oil. Any oil will do. Just pour it in there. And then you're gonna leave your heat on, probably I'll do it low, kind of like in between high simmer and low, so the chips don't burn. So you have to constantly stir. So I'm gonna mix it up first. And you're gonna fold the chips. And you wanna constantly do this so they melt evenly and they don't stick to the bottom and burn. So you're just gonna go around and then fold the chips. But you never wanna let it just sit there. That's the part where people do it wrong. Ooh, yeah, see how fast that melts? So you're just gonna keep folding until it gets smooth and no chips are left. Turn off the heat. Just make sure there's no clumps. See how smooth that is? See how that just moves there? That's perfect. Then you're gonna grab the strawberry, you're gonna grab it by the leaves. And you're gonna kind of tilt it and then dip. And then getting a good amount. Like that. And if you want to decorate, you're gonna have to work. I've never decorated, I usually like it plain, but just for Valentine's Day, you can decorate it. Then you're gonna repeat. Let's do some pearls. Also, keep in mind, after you dip the strawberry, you're going to kind of lift it and let that chocolate drip slightly. And then you're going to point the strawberry up like I'm doing here. That way you can prevent any messes. And once you're done with all your strawberries, decorating and covering them with chocolates, I put them in the fridge, that way they can set. And we're gonna just leave it in there until the chocolate hardens. Then when it's all done, you're gonna go ahead and start making the bouquet. So I took the mason jar and I'm just stuffing it with the shredded paper. Once I get the amount I want in there, I'm gonna take a strawberry, remove that middle piece. That way the straw can stick inside there easily, as you can see here. And then that's gonna be your chocolate covered strawberry flower. And you're gonna repeat the steps until you fill up the jar. Another cute alternative instead of the bouquet is just placing these strawberries on a really cute festive tray. Alright you guys, so that is all for today's video. It turned out super cute. It tastes super good too. I think this is perfect a Valentine's Day treat for your significant other. I feel like they would love it because not only does it taste really good, you made it with love and you made it from the heart, and I think that means so much more than just buying them. So hopefully you guys love this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys! Oy, nako! Ooh, my arms are sore. Doesn't have to be perfect. Oh my god, the leaves broke. Fail! That chocolate's good. These are big strawberries. Woo! Girl, I ain't no professional. I know this tastes good though. Dude, it's hard to get this out. Why is it so hard to pull out? It's too much. Be careful it doesn't go through.
It's like the things are like
Flowers.
petals.
Yeah, like rose petals. It's cute, right? Look how cute this is. You can have that. No. No, 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 no. No. If you want to be super cute, you find a card with strawberries on it. Aww. I'm awfully fond of you. Cute.